Hello and welcome to the Agrinetix Trimble FMX 1000 training. Today we will go over the finer points of the screen and how data such as prescriptions and field boundaries are moved in and out of the screen. Screen overview. This is the back of the screen. Some places to note are the power button. This turns the unit on and off. The USB socket. This is where the USB is inserted if any data is to be uploaded or downloaded. Some other features of the screen are labeled according to the numbers listed above. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the location of some of these features. This is the home screen. This is the first screen that shows up after the unit is turned on. From here we can access the data files currently on the screen. We can do this by selecting the Data Files button. Once the data file screen has appeared, the column on the left shows what data is present on the USB stick. The column on the right shows what is currently loaded onto the screen. Both of these columns can be navigated to search for a specific piece of data or to get an idea of what is available. Paying attention to the copy button will tell you which files can be transferred where. Pointing to the left will copy from the screen to the USB stick. Pointing to the right will copy from the USB stick to the screen. Tapping the OK button will bring us back to the home screen. Selecting the tractor icon will take us to the field selection screen. Here we can choose the client, farm, and field, along with any other event attributes that may be associated with this field, such as planting, harvesting, or manure application. This is the main operations screen. From here we can check GPS status, zoom and pan, engage and disengage logging operations, as well as monitor the tractor and implement settings and performance. We can also view field boundaries, swaths, and prescriptions. To exit out of this screen, select the home icon in the upper right-hand corner. This will allow you to close the field and bring you back to the field selection screen. Loading prescriptions. Loading prescriptions can be done by inserting a USB stick, selecting the Data Files button, and selecting the prescriptions present on the USB stick in the left-hand column. Selecting Copy will transfer the files from the USB stick to the screen. Once loaded, select the tractor icon, and this will bring you again to the field selection screen. Here we can decide which fields will receive the prescription. Once the field is selected and we are in the main run screen, the FMX will automatically search for any prescriptions present in the proximity of the field you have chosen. The available prescriptions will be listed in this screen. Select the prescription and select the proper column for the product being applied and select OK. You also have the option of not selecting a prescription if you wish. AB line management. Loading AB lines can be done the same way as prescriptions are loaded. I simply will select the AB line folder from the USB stick and select Copy. The data will then be transferred to the screen. We will again select the tractor icon to begin choosing our fields. Select the client, farm, and field. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can select the Swaths button. Select the AB line and then the Import button. This will tell us if there are any available swaths located in the file. Select the appropriate field and the swaths will be loaded. Data management. Most farm software today uses the grower-farm field hierarchy. This data is located in the data folder of the FMX. The FMX operates using the fields located in the AgGPS folder. This is how the FMX recognizes any data stored in the screen or USB stick. AB lines, prescriptions, and field boundaries all have a specific location. We will review those now. All field boundaries are saved in shapefile format under the field folder, as well as swaths. Saving swaths in the field folder will allow them to be loaded automatically. They can also be managed from the AB lines folder. Prescriptions are also saved in shapefile format, but are located in the prescription folder. As a general rule, Agrinetix will name the files according to field number. All product being applied will be available in the shapefile columns. Shapefiles are also presented in latitude-longitude WGS 1984 datum so that they will appear in the correct location and can be used seamlessly with the GPS constellation. This concludes the FMX overview training. If you have any other questions, please contact the GIS department at Agrinetix. We would be happy to assist you in managing your data. Thank you.